Language debate, regardless versus irregardless. Which is correct? Regardless is an adverb that means without taking into account, in spite of, or in any case. It's used to indicate that something will happen or be done despite any obstacles, circumstances, or considerations. Regardless of the weather, the picnic will be held in the park. Irregardless is often used colloquially as a synonym for regardless. It's also an adverb that means without consideration, in spite of, or anyway. However, it's considered non-standard and informal in standard English, and in fact, some dictionaries say it's not even a word. Irregardless of what others say, I believe we should go ahead with our plans. The key difference between the two lies in their formal status and acceptance in standard English. You do not want to use irregardless in any formal writing or in any formal speeches. So that's the difference.